Hello, good morning, physics students. Today we will learn some tips for NEET exam. Tip 1. Learn base units perfectly. NEET can ask direct questions such as which is not an SI base unit. Remember that Newton and joule and watt and pascal are derived units. These are not base units. So learn perfectly base units. Next tip. For example, derive pressure. Derive pressure. Pressure formula is force per unit area. Pressure formula is force per unit area. Anaga F by A. Unit of pressure is equal to for force, newtons is capital N, area units is meter square. You should write in the denominator N by M square. So how to read it? Newton per square meter. Now we know already we have learned Newton units kg into m into s to the power of minus 2. In the denominator, m square is there. That also you put simplify it. After simplifying, we can get kg into m to the power of minus 1 into s to the power of minus 2. This is derived unit for pressure. Okay? Instead of memorizing, we can reconstruct like this. Tip number 3. Watch uppercase and lowercase symbols. I have picturized beautifully this one with lowercase mks and uppercase mks. Small m means meter, capital M means mega. Next K. Capital K means Kelvin, small k means kilo. Next time. Small s means meant for second, capital S may represent Siemens. So here some difference is there. You should find. See the image, listen my words to get clarity. All tip number 4. Always convert to SI before solving. Example also I'm giving here. For example, 72 kilometers per hour. How to convert kilometer per hour into meters per second? Very simple. Multiplication factor is 5 by 18. So convert to meters per second. Keep 72 as it is and multiply it 5 by 18. You will get 20 meters per second. What is the here multiplication factor? 5 by 18. What for? To convert kilometer per hour into meters per second. So usual shortcut is 5 by 18. What for? Kilometer per hour into meter per second conversion. Similarly, if you want meters per second into kilometers per hour, conversion factor is multiplication factor is 18 by 5. Just reverse to the above. Next point, tip 5. Square or cube the conversion factor. See the image. Length conversion, power 1. So here factor within parentheses lo undi, power lo 1. Similarly for area conversion, power 2. So factor whole square. For volume conversion, power 3. That means factor whole to the power of whole cubed. Like that, you should put in parentheses and multiply with the power. Then only mistakes will not occur. Bye.